regarding factor affecting computer performance. Factors. There is a topic in your book. Factors affecting computer performance. Okay. Computer performance.
Yes.
The first thing is clock speed. Do you know what is the purpose of clock speed?
Clock speed?
Yeah. Have you heard about hertz? Frequency. Do you know what frequency?
Hmm?
Do you know what frequency? Frequency.
Frequency?
Yeah.
I know.
Like this one. Its
Yes.
basic is base cycle per second is called frequency, and its basic unit is called hertz. Okay.
Okay.
When a computer performs one cycle, it means it has performed 1 hertz. Basically, we relate hertz with computer speed. It means if computer complete one instruction in 1 second, so computer speed is 1 hertz. Computer speed is 1 hertz. 1 hertz means one instruction is processed in 1 second. Got my point?
Yes.
Okay. But same thing. If we say that 1000 instruction, if computer perform 1000 instruction in 1 second, then computer speed is 1 kilohertz. Got my point? If computer can process 1000 instruction in 1 second, then we say it computer speed is 1 kilohertz. At the same time, if computer can perform 1000 kilohertz, 1000 kilohertz, it means it has processed 1 million instruction in 1 second. We call it 1 megahertz. 1000 kilohertz means a computer have processed 1 million instruction in 1 second. So we call it computer speed is 1 megahertz. Okay. You got my point? Yes. You got my point? Hello?
Okay.
You got my point? If computer process 1000 kilohertz, it means it has processed 1 million. 1 million means 10 lakh. Okay. Do you know? 1 million means 10 lakh. 1 million means 10 lakh. Okay. If we say that a computer process 1000 megahertz, 1000 megahertz instruction process in 1 second. Okay. So we call it 1 gigahertz. Computer speed is 1 gigahertz. Giga means 100 crore. 100 crore instruction a computer can process in 1 second. So right now our computer speed is 3.4 gigahertz. Do you know your laptop computer speed? How much is that? Your laptop computer speed, processor speed. Do you know that?
I don't know.
Okay. So basically, it might be 3.4 gigahertz or it might be 3.5 gigahertz. So it means 300 crore instruction can be processed in 1 second. And this is controlled by clock. This is called clock speed. Define the clock cycle that synchronizes computer operation. It means when you when a computer start processing, it send timing. CU send timing to all parts of computer. So telling them there is going to be operation to be performed. So every part of computer must be ready. This clock speed can be increased. Increasing clock speed can boost processing speed. Example, typically value 3.5 gigahertz. Overclocking means you are increasing speed from given speed. Like we do overspeed in vehicle. While possible, may lead to unsynchronized operation and overheating. Unsynchronized means some part could not be ready at the time of operation. Synchronized means every part of computer must be ready at the time of operation so that they know at what time operation will be performed. Synchronized means same. Synchronized means same. Same time, same output, kind of that, same instruction. You got my point?
Hmm.
The second factor which can affect bus width is width of address and data buses affect computer performance. Address width of buses can be 4 byte. It is slower than 8 byte. And 8 byte is slower than 16 byte. So if you increase number of byte of bus width, computer performance will increase. Or 32 byte. Okay. You got my point? Wider buses allow simultaneous addressing of more memory locations. So 4 byte means 32 bit. So 2 power 32, you can find out number of memory location. It is lesser than 2 power 8. So 4 byte now. So 8 means 64 bits. So 64, if your address data bus are 64 bit, then it has more number of location as compared to 32 bit. So that is why it says wider buses allow simultaneous addressing of more memory location. Got this point? Yes, did you get?
Hmm.
What about cache memory? Do you remember cache memory?
Hmm?
Do you know cache memory? I told you last time. It is
Okay.
kind of primary memory. It is kind of primary memory, which is nearest to CPU. Now see, this is the CPU. This is the CPU. It has two parts, TU and ALU. It is connected with memory that is called cache. Okay.
Okay.
Cache is connected with RAM. RAM is also connected by CPU directly, but RAM is connected by connected with hard disk, secondary storage. Now this is the arrangement of memory. Cache memory. If you have more cache in your computer will be more faster. Located within the CPU for faster data access than RAM. Cache is faster than RAM, but storage capacity is lower. Store frequently used instruction and data to improve CPU performance. Larger cache sizes contribute to better performance. Like cache comes in 8 MB. And if you want to increase cache, you need to change your motherboard or computer. Like you want to have 16 megabyte. But you cannot upgrade if you once purchase. RAM can be upgraded. This RAM is possible to upgrade from 8 GB to 16 GB. Okay, 8 GB to 16 GB. But you cannot upgrade this one. You have to replace your motherboard or you have to purchase new computer. You got my point? Yes, did you get? If you have larger cache, your computer performance will be better than before.
Okay.
Okay. As I told you last time also. Fourth factor is number of core. Number of core means number of processor. This is the fourth factor which can affect your computer performance. dual
But
core,
teacher, what's the core?
core mean processor. You can have more processor in your computer. It says dual core, 2 cores, and quad core, 4 core. Configuration are common. Each core include an ALU, CU, and register. So it means it is a CPU. It is a CPU. Increasing the number of core can enhance performance without solely relying on higher clock speed. If you have more processor, okay, your computer will perform better than before. But it says, however, doubling core does not necessarily double overall performance due to communication overhead. So this is another drawback of number of core. When you have more processor, it means a task can be divided into number of processor, although it can process faster, but there is a problem of communication, coordination problem, coordination problem with processor. Okay, you got this one? Core means
Right.
processor, CPU. Your computer can be more than one processor. It can be dual core or it can be quad core. Now it says factor affecting computer performance, increasing bus width enhances system speed. Okay, from 4 byte to 8 byte or from 16 byte. Clock speed influences the overall speed but doesn't guarantee increased performance. Because when your processor run, it can overheat. It can be overheat. Altering bus width, clock speed, and utilizing multi-core CPU can impact performance. Okay. Now it says care must be taken with overclocking to avoid instability and overheating. As people run vehicle with overspeed, do you know overspeed? What happened?
When the speed of the computer performance increases, the synchronization of the computer operations are destroyed.
Yeah.
Is it like
Yeah,
that?
yeah, vehicle. When you run your vehicle from normal speed, more than normal speed, it can hit somewhere. Okay. So that is why in Saudi Arab, Dubai, there is a speed gun. Do you know speed gun? It measure your vehicles. Okay. So it send a challan. Okay. So that people has to pay fine. So same thing happen with computer. Same thing happen with computer. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Consideration for optimal performance. Now it says balancing factors such as bus width, clock speed, and core count, number of core, number of processor. Now core means number of processor.
Can you go back?
It says consideration for optimal performance. Okay.
Teacher,
Yeah.
can you go back?
Go back. Okay. Wait a second. This one.
Yes.
You want to read?
Yes. Teacher,
Yes.
I didn't understand the last point.
Which one? Care must be taken.
Care must be taken. I'm talking
Okay.
about the
This
last
look.
point.
Okay. Wait. You're talking about this one.
Yes.
It says you can increase your clock speed. Given clock speed, you can increase the speed of processor, but it will generate overclocking. Okay, which can disturb your computer functionality. So it says do not try to increase your computer speed. It can create a trouble for you. Instability and overheating. When you run anything more than usual, it generates a heat. Okay, so same thing processor runs. Okay, that is why we have a cooling fan inside computer, especially in PC. PC has cooling fan, which makes cool processor. Otherwise, it can burn. Okay, overheating can burn processor. This is the problem. Basically, gamers, gamer need more speed. Okay, they can increase processor speed by setting. Okay, go in setting and can increase processor speed. Okay.
Okay.
So enough for today.
Yes.
So see you on
Yes.
Monday.
And Monday?
I think Monday. Wait a second, I tell you. Today is Saturday, na?
Yes.
Yeah, Monday, 8 to 9. Okay.
8 to 9?
6 to 7. Saudi Arab.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.